hours later.
Alright guys, so we moved everything that we need into the garage. We've got 4 of these integrated LED light fixtures and these linking cables, as well as the brackets that would hold them to the ceiling. 6 sets of those, and finally the part that'll plug in to our little bulb outlet thingy-majigger here. And that's going to replace that bulb over there. Now we just have to map out where we want the actual bulbs to go. Alright guys, y'all excited to see how well we did? Check it out. Look at that. Hell of a difference, right? I mean, for sure, maybe this could have been planned better, but it is what it is. This area, I don't think we're going to be wrenching a lot under this, so kind of just kept it here. As you can see, so they're 4 feet LED bars. And these are 2 of them connected, another 2 of them connected there, kind of just linked. And make sure you get the kit that comes with cables like this as well to link them together, right? So I have them plugged into that bulb outlet adapter or whatever the hell it's called. And basically every time I flip that light on, these things come on. So I can add a white bulb in there in the middle just to make it even better, but yeah, that's what it is. This bar is kind of random because it was supposed to go here straight, but that cable that plugs into the outlet wouldn't reach, so I had to angle it like that. So that's not bad compared to how it was before. It definitely really brightens up the garage. It changes the mood too, because now I don't, you know, I feel like I'm more motivated to work in such a bright space. And it gets even better when we turn this work light on. So yeah, it's not a bad setup. Probably sometime in the summer we'll work towards getting the walls painted, the ceiling. Who knows, maybe even before next winter we'll put up some insulation and drywall on the sides. But for now, that's where we're at. Man, check out how well lit the engine bay is now. I almost don't even need extra lighting, but maybe in dark spaces like this, I'll use this LED light. But all in all, this plus this does an awesome job for a small garage. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram if you haven't already. I'll make sure to include the search terms for the setup, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the video.